So I've just had a question about mixing the oils. Is it okay to mix them? So for example, to have relax in the bath and then afterwards to put detox on all over. And the answer with that is yes, absolutely, it's fine. So one thing that I'd just like to say is to be clear about intention. So you wouldn't necessarily, put salute, the uplifting one, on this wrist and ground on this wrist, because that wouldn't make much sense. And one is uplifting and one is grounding, but if you did, it's not the end of the world, because both contain a lot of cedar wood, which is both grounding and uplifting at the same time. So, and the oils tend to be, one of their strongest characteristics is they're homeostatic, which means it brings you back to center. They all generally kind of bring you into equilibrium, which is always a good thing. But I love to be intentional about their use, and you just do what it says on the bottle, the name, so it says relax, use it for relaxing. So if you want to have a bath with relax, fabulous, and then get out in a detoxifying self-massage, perfect. So yes, you can mix them, absolutely, but just be clear about your intention, what you want them to do for you, and they'll do it. Okay, thanks.